Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to add variants in Shopify, and I am going to make a quick and complete tutorial on it, and I will break down step by step process for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, we are already in our Shopify admin panel, and as you can see, this is our Shopify store and this is the interface. So if I want to add a variance on my product, so I just need to go over that place in the product in the left corner. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you need to add some product in your product page. So that for reason I'm going to click on add products option, and then they are asking for title, description, media and category, many more. So I'm going to give a title that will be headphone for kids, and then if you want to add some description, you are allowed to add in here. Then I'm going to add the media. Just click over here, then I will visit downloads and I will find out where is or do I have any headphones. So this one will be good for me. Then I will give a price that will be $25, and then you need to scroll down into the bottom and you will find out the option that called variants. So as you can see in here, we have options like size or color to include in this variant. So I'm going to click over here, then I will click on color. Once I click over here in the color, then I can add many more color over that section. So I'm going to click on add another option, that or I am just want to add some color furthermore. So the color will be white. Let's search for white. Okay, so this not this way, I just need to go over here, and in here I am allowed to add color maybe. So in here I need to find out. So you can see this one, and if I want to add further more option, then just click over here, add color. Okay, what's going on? Yeah, you can see I need to click over here, and then I will check this out one by one. Yeah, it's okay. Now I'm going to click on done. As you can see, all has been added in the variant option. I hope you understand how easy the process was. So let's hit the save button and then view our product. So let's go. It will take a while to save the page, and as you can see, this is our product and product has been created perfectly. So I've been going to the page to preview this page, and in here you can see we already have some variant: black, big, blue, clear, brown and bronze. So we don't have any product here yet, that's why it has a line over that place. So you just need to go over here and just click over here, or you can in availability you just need to add something that will be this, like how many product do you have, you need to mention it here like this way. Okay, leave it so you can understand while we are view the page. So now again, let's go over here and click on preview, and now you can see that we have 10-12 product, and if I click on add to cart, it will be add to cart perfectly. If I go to checkout, then I can easily purchase this. So the process is really simple. I hope this video was knowledgeable for you. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.